Actually, te, wala namang nang-judge sa'yo, kundi ikaw lang din. Yes, te, you judge you, hindi yung ibang tao. Just a little backstory lang, te. I went to Dahilayan Adventure Park and Forest Park. One of the reasons, te, kung bakit pumunta ko doon is gusto ko makipag-connect sa nature. At the same time, it is an exposure therapy. I want to test my confidence, te, to really film in public. To do my upcoming podcast, te, in public. Grabe talaga, te. Marami talagang tao, like public face yun, te. At first talaga, te, I thought na i-judge ako ng tao negatively. But throughout filming, te, merong mga live audience talaga, te. You know what I mean, te? Here yung clip, te. So, if I don't like them, it's really okay. Na-enjoy muna this vacation kasi this is so good, te. Although I'm alone, but this is fucking self-love. This is what I'm talking about, te. This is self-love. Most of people, te, na dumadaan is nagsasmile lang sila kasi feel ko naririnig nila, te, yung message ko, yung sinasabi ko. Even this one mother, te, like she's a Muslim, te. Sabi niya, like, ito talaga yung totoo, te, hindi ko na na-film. But dapat ganyan yung mga sumisikat sa'yo na influencer, yung parang meron talagang positive energy. Give them advice how to become better kasi napaka-rare lang daw ng mga influencer ngayon na meron talagang sense yung pinaggagawa nila. Kasi karamihan daw sa mga influencer is just for entertainment and drama lang daw, ganun. Basta, te, super na-appreciate ko yun. Ang dami pa niyang mga compliments, te, but wala talaga, te. So that experience, te, is just an example na maybe talaga, te, hindi ka naman ginajudge ng tao negatively. Ikaw at ikaw lang din talaga yung nagja-judge sa'yo negatively. Dinadown mo yung sarili mo. Not knowing, te, na maybe people appreciate you by just being you. Regardless, te, if good or bad judgment yan, te, if wala ka namang benefit na makukuha sa judgment nila, te, why bother? Mas mabuti lang, te, na mag-focus ka dun mismo sa ginagawa mo. In my case, te, nag-focus lang ako sa pag-film kasi makakapag-benefit ako kasi may ma-upload ako sa YouTube channel ko. Wala akong benefit na makukuha sa judgment nila. Yes, meron tayo yung mga compliments na gano'n as what I've said kanina sa example. But need to do something not based on the judgment of other people, not based on the acceptance or validation or compliments of other people. Te, do that thing because you really want to do that thing. Harsh lang talaga natin, te. Tayo at tayo rin yung nanjudge sa sarili natin, knowing, te, na people don't judge us naman. Like, te, get out of your head. Really, te, get out of your head. It's all I'm for more.